Hello and welcome. Just got this super power turbo fan from EUKI. It's an X3 Mini. EUKI have sent this to me. I haven't been paid for this video, but they've sent me this free of charge. So I'm going to do a little review on it for them. It's got a brushless motor. It's 130,000 RPM and a 5,000 milliamp battery. So I'm going to get out of the box and see what we got. Here we are. We're in at the bench, and the bench might look a bit untidy, but there's a reason for that. I deliberately didn't tidy the bench because I'm going to try and use this beautiful little device to maybe do that job. Very compact is my first view on it. What we got in the box is we've got the fan itself. The battery must be integrated. See the charging port there and the little on button. You know. Yeah. It'll take a while for that to charge, I would say. And the attachments in the box here as well. I'll just pull all that out to see. This is hard to get out. Oh yeah. The different attachments. There's the standard one. The extra long one. Just goes on and twists around. Yeah. You can see that wouldn't be useful there. And just a wee short round one. Just a bit longer than that one. So we'll get it charged up. There's a C-type cable with it, so we'll get her charged up and then we'll give her a blast. Right, this isn't like a battery indicator, which I thought it was. This is actually, that's the latest low. That's like a mouse fart, that's nothing. And then you go to, that's the full. There's a 2. 2's okay. That's the full blast. I can't imagine using this on anything other than the high. I don't know why they put 3 in it, but yeah, it's there anyway. Do my cleaning, clean the tools, clean down the bench. I usually use this Parkside silent compressor. I find it to be very, very effective. I don't know if this little fan will take the place of it, but we'll start off by dedusting the actual compressor with the wee fan. I'm going to give the wee fan a fighting chance. I've put this nozzle on it to see, and I think that we can. It's okay, but what do we see? We'll compare it with that. That's definitely getting more off, but it's a bit noisier. I have to establish what this little EUKI's for. There's a little bit of dust to the bench. And we'll go to this other part of the bench here now. And this not so bad. It'll do that job. Inside the car, there's a bit of dust in there. Some in the dash as well. Maybe in here. It's done a bit of a job, I suppose. Very, very handy. It's not big. You could carry that in the car for blowing the dust off the dash and out of the air vents and stuff. I think it's got a use in that purpose. It'll never take the place of my compressor for dusting down tools, but it would do a bit of a job, but it wouldn't be taking the place of my compressor, I suppose. That's my thoughts on it. I'm going to put a link in the description and pinned in the comment section if you want one of these, just for your car or just for around the house if you want to dedust a little bit in little areas. Like it's got its purpose. Look at that. I actually missed the trick. There's actually a very important application I can use this for right here in the workshop that I haven't been thinking of, and in previously what I thought was useless first, low range. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to set it there. This might be the greatest little soldering fan I've invented, to be quite honest. It's a big problem when you're soldering. Them fumes coming up, they come straight up and into my airways, and that's not where I want them. I'll show you where the difference. Look at that, air's taking it away. And you see if I put that off, where does the smoke go? Straight up. That's perfect. Perfect. There's none of it coming up near me. It's great. So I think I've found my perfect little soldering fan at #1. So the EUKI turbo fan. When I opened this initially, I didn't see the worth in it. I was looking at the different applications, but I think I've found something that's phenomenal for. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.